Here we have also comparing with these two technologies in common characteristics. Both these two machines can relax the muscle and reducing the fats. Both are non-invasive, no downtime. Both has no side effect and effective in slimming the body. And the differences. The different method. EMS is using high-intensity focused electromagnetic technology. And the vacuum is using the radio frequency and vacuum technology. So it's different. Different treatment time. Each EMS treatment section is about 30 minutes, and one treatment equals to 5.5 hours exercise, and that's a lot. And while vacuum radio frequency slimming machine lasts almost 20 to 40 minutes, and promptly after the first session, a loss of 2 to 10 centimeters, because it will shrink water of your body, help the circulation of the body to get out bad things from the skin. So that's why after treatment, you can feel immediately different result. The result of EMS machine is more focused on muscle shaping for building the body line. It's more good for the muscle. And meanwhile, it also can reduce the fats also. The result of the vacuum radio frequency slimming machine is more obvious on reducing fat layers. It also has the good result for anti-wrinkle and improve stretch marks. That's also very popular.